Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I have a 16 by 20 inch canvas. It's been pre-primed with some Mead and Black paint. Probably not the best priming job I've ever done, but I want to do something a little outside my normal comfort zone. I want to use some more Mead and white paint on the canvas and then use my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. And after that, I'll use some Prizm Pour paints and some Primary Elements. And hopefully, I'll know enough to leave some negative space. And I don't mind if there's a few lines left there. Or splodges. And the colors that I want to use are, right at the moment, very turquoisey. I want that to be clean. And so that's going to be me starting with some Frozen and a little Cerulean blue, without that clog there, please. And I might indulge myself in a little bit of ginger flower cell activator with Aussie Floetrol, just because I can. And because I can, I've got some Indian Spice. It's the new antique metals from Prizm Pour. There's a 20% off coupon code underneath the video. Should you want to go shopping at Colour Arte, there's Primary Elements and Prizm Pours and all kinds of awesome stuff there. That makes me want purple. I don't know why. But I've got a wonderful purple color. I've got Boysenberry, which is a primary element. And I like the fact that some of the white is left behind. I've got a little bit of Peacock and a little bit of Royal Sapphire. And I'm going to do the same thing with the primary, with the ginger flower and Aussie Floetrol. I think I'm going to bring that all the way over here. What have I got? I've got a little bit of orange. That is Orange Crush. It's a Prizm Pour. I've got a better bottle of pink carnation than this. I'm tempted to put a little bit of Chantilly lace or mother of pearl in there, but what I was thinking originally was some poinsettia. I think I am going to put some of that Chantilly lace in there, and still the ginger flower, and I'm not being shy with it. That makes me want a little bit of Tuscan sun. It's definitely got a really cool watercolor effect I'm enjoying. I'm going to clean off my palette, my spatula, right on my canvas because the colors are fabulous, and then I'm going to use my studio rag. And I think I'm going to use some Mayan gold and a little bit of Midnight Shadow, which is a Prizm Pour, and a little bit of Sea Dancer, which is a primary element. I made 2 videos for mixing Vivid Polypore and Vivid Enamel with primary elements and Prizm Pours. I'm having no problem being less than shy with the ginger flower. I'm going to back push it off and pull it up again too. Oh, those are some pretty cells. Wow. Just a few here and there. I think I'll be doing that again in a moment. Let's do the gold. I'd like to have some of that black negative space behind, but I'm not sure it's going to stay. That was the Mayan gold. That was the Indian spice that I just put down. This is the Mayan gold. And I like the way the Sea Dancer looks. So we'll go in both directions. I'm going to go down and up and over and layer a few things and clean off my spatula. Very cool. Ha ha ha! I'm having a good time. I'm trying something I haven't really done this before with the white on the background. I'm tempted by a little bit more of the Chantilly lace. Let's see if I can. Yep, that doesn't bother me. Add some shimmer. I was threatening, wasn't I? Threatening Tuscan sun. And I want some. I may have to clean off my spatula. I think I want some up there too. Maybe just enough to draw the eye. I think this is going to be joined by some orange crush and maybe a little bit more gold. I really want more of that Sea Dancer, but I think it's going to have to come from the other direction. Where can I put that? Right there. Perfect. What else do I want to do? Not a lot. Could be fairly quick. I got something I want to do with that corner, but I'm not sure what it is yet. I think it's going to be Indian spice and some more of the blue. It's going to be everything. I think it's going to be everything. Sea Dancer, Primary Element, Boysenberry. Yep, that might be enough. Maybe we'll just a little Frozen for grins. And I want a little more white, strangely enough. And bring back my ginger flower. Whoops, right over the side. That was not my intention. I have a little bit of paint that I'd like to use. Almost dragged out the toothy tool, but you know what? It's not too late if I want to do that either. Just add a little fun and funky texture. I don't think that's going to hurt anything. Maybe we'll use the fat end. And the residuals. I like the residuals. They make little textural markings that I appreciate. I could use a spatula too. That's not my favorite. But I like that. You never know until you try. So there's a lot of movement in this, and some cells, and plenty of color. And don't forget the 20% off coupon for Colour Arte. I am a Colour Arte affiliate, so when you shop Colour Arte, you help me out. I am also an Amazon affiliate, and there's an Amazon link on the link tree where you can find my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. I like scraping down to black and exposing other colors and patterns. And I like using the extra colors on my spatula. I think this is fun, and I could definitely scratch a couple spirals in there if I were inclined. If I had a handy tool, and I do. Maybe waggles instead of spirals. Maybe 1 spiral. Ha! Just because I can. That's the name of my first book next to my second book, by the way, on the Amazon link. Because I Can. It's the first volume, the first 100 videos for YouTube. And Limited Possibilities is the second one. There's some little leopard print cells in there. I don't know how they got in there, but I don't care. They're really cute. Take my paint off my spatula. Use it. I could put a few dots in there. I could put a few white dots in there and I'd be okay with that. Yep. Okay, I'm going to call it good just because I've had all the fun I need to have right now. And I'm going to shimmer this at you because I'm sure there's a shimmer factor. And then I'll get ready for dinner. And my husband will be pleased with that. We've got 3 minutes left, which is pretty cool. Let's grab my phone. Turn out this other light. What fun that was. Wow. I'll be doing that again. This is a ball. Definitely I'm pleased. If I see any little bubbles like this, I'll be piercing them with the sharp end of a skewer. Look at that. Woo! The black makes everything pop. And the white does. Wow. Totally love that. I always find the bubbles when I'm using my cell phone flashlight. Wow. Oh, this is just I'm really happy. This is my style. This is abstract expressionism at its finest for me. I love everything about this. I love the colors. I love the scratches. I love the black and white. I love all of it. I love you guys. There's over 2,600 videos. If you need something, I have them organized by topic and genre and by the 100. And I'm happy to help you if you ask me. If you ask me questions, I'll get back to you if I can. And if I can't answer your question, I'll let you know somebody who does if I have a clue. Maybe more than 1 spiral. What about more than 1 spiral? What about 3? 3 and whatever. Okay. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for liking my videos and sharing them. When you share them, you help me out. When you comment, you help me out. Your comments help boost my morale. Excuse me. I want to say thank you again for all the donations that help keep me painting and for being here. I post at 3:15 Eastern Standard Time most days of the week, and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I do sell my artwork, and you can find my email address if you'd like to contact me underneath Show More, where the link tree is also. It's easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I sell merchandise with my designs on it at Spring Clothing. That's under the video. And I can add things to Spring Clothing or Fine Art America, Pixels.com, Society 6, or Le Gallerist if you ask me. On the link tree, you'll also find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, and whatever else I can tell you, I don't... It doesn't come to mind right at the moment. If I forgot it, you'll see it in another video. No, I love you, and I hope to see you anon. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Woohoo! I love this. See you later.